Today, Department of Commerce Self-Financing has organized one-day guest lecture program on Enhancement of the Employability Skills for Commerce students at 10:30 a.m. in our Golden Jubilee Block Seminar Hall. Dr. T.S. Subbalakshmi was the chief guest speaker for the program. She has delivered the lecture to the students to shape their interview skills. She suggested many employment opportunities details to the students. Mrs. R. Anandi, Assistant Professor, was welcomed the gathering. Dr. A. Arunachalarajan, Director of Self-Financing Courses, gave the presidential address, and Dr. R. Jayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, honored the chief guest. Dr. V. Gopalakrishnan, Head of the Department, introduced the chief guest, and finally, Mrs. G. Lakshmi Priya gave vote of thanks. Master of Ceremony was done by Ms. Janani, a first-time com student of our department. The program organized by the student coordinators, faculty members, head of the department, by the help of our Kamaraj College management.